just started scrapping an old Italian air conditioning unit, portable air conditioning unit, and it had some 2 decent size motors in it, which is really nice. The thing itself weighed about a little less than 40 kilograms, so I wasn't expecting too much. Had one big radiator, and in the bottom it has, as you can see, another radiator. Pretty decent, but then I hit the mother load. Check this out. Ooh, that's a big stack of copper pipes. Look at that. Really nice. And of course, the compressor that's sitting there. Nice.